So it's no longer a news that Hamster Combat Season 1 has actually officially been ended, and they actually start Season 2 for us to actually start playing this game. So if you actually participate, you check your allocation because they actually done the allocation yesterday. So this is the allocation we actually got. I got 935 Hamster Combat. I actually receive, like I'm able to claim 109 right now, and 825 is locked for when they are going to actually release this particular airdrop. And one of the reasons why I actually feel that Hamster Combat is not really straightforward about this their allocation is the fact that if you have a lot of referral, you are going to have more Hamster Combat, and if you have more key, I actually observed that most that have more key actually receive a lot of airdrop. So but for the purpose of those of us that doesn't have much airdrop, how can we actually get a lot of airdrop from this particular Hamster Combat for free? We are not actually paying. So ensure you watch this video because I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually get free airdrop, which is the Hamster Combat free airdrop right now, so that we can be able to convert it whenever it's being listed. So for we to actually receive Hamster Combat free airdrop, which is going to be given to us, like we are going to come over to Binance, because Binance is one of the exchanges that is going to be listing Hamster Combat on 26th of this month. So we are going to click on this more option to find Launchpad. So I'm going to find Launchpad. It's actually under the end session over here. We are going to click on the Launchpad and be able to commit some amount of money for us to actually receive the Hamster Combat airdrop. As you can see, Hamster Combat is oncoming. So this particular project is going to be starting in 6 hours right from now, and it is better that you actually deposit some BNB for you to actually get Hamster Combat token. So this is how it actually works. So you are going to convert your asset to BNB and you actually lock it for 3 days. So after 3 days, they are going to give you Hamster Combat and you are going to get your BNB back. So it is very, very simple and very, very straightforward. So I hope you actually understand the principle behind the Launchpad. Launchpad is a way for you to actually earn the token those particular projects is actually offering you. So right now that you know that you actually understand it, so let me show you exactly how you can actually deposit to this platform. So I'm going to be using BNB. So if you have FD USD pool, you can actually do that one. It's going to be giving you 50% of the total airdrop token. But if you are using BNB pool, it's going to give you like 85% total airdrop token. So I believe this particular one have higher percentage of airdrop. So I'm going to click on lock, then show you what we are going to do next. As you can see, I don't have BNB right now, so I'm going to be transferring BNB from another exchange, which is the Bybit exchange. So I'm going to go over to my Bybit account. If you have money inside your Binance, you can actually convert it straight off, but I actually want to transfer from Bybit to this exchange. So I'm going to go over to Bybit, search for Bybit on my account. So this is Bybit, click on it. So as you can see, this is my Bybit account, and you are going to go over to your P2P option. If you have Naira or any of the currency you actually want to use, so you are going to use P2P to actually buy USDT. So you can actually click on this trade to actually buy USDT on this platform, and you are going to pay with your Naira. So already I actually have USDT inside my balance already. So what I have to do right now is to transfer the USDT from Bybit to Binance. If I want to do that, I'm going to go over to Binance over here, go over to Binance, then click on asset over here. Then I'm going to copy my wallet address from Binance. I'm going to click on deposit over here. Then it's going to load up a page. We are going to be using USDT for this particular purpose. Click on USDT. Then I'm going to choose the network that I actually want to use. So for the purpose of quick confirmation, I'll be using TRC20 because it's faster and it is very fast for you to confirm. So I'm going to choose TRC20. Then I'm going to copy this wallet address, then come over to Bybit. So this is Bybit. You are going to click on your asset option over here. So asset option, then click on withdraw over here, click on withdraw. So as you can see, we are going to be withdrawing from the USDT funding balance. Click on this funding balance over here. It's going to load up a page for us. So as you can see, you are going to copy the wallet address you actually copy from Binance. So we are going to paste the wallet address you copy from Binance. We are going to paste it over here. So as you can see, we actually paste the wallet address, and you are going to choose the network you actually want to choose. So we choose TRC20, and it's going to cost us 1.3 USDT for this particular transaction. So I think we are good to go. So, and you are going to choose the amount you want to transfer to Binance. So I'm going to be transferring 100. So I think that is the next thing I'm supposed to do. So as you can see, it is the option for us to actually withdraw is there. So we are going to click on withdraw, and it is going to be placed. So as you can see, it said TRC20. We have to confirm if the wallet address you copy is 100% legit. As you can see, we have KK and we have TRC20. The ending part is the KK, and okay, this 100% correct rather. So I'm going to click on confirm and actually send OTP to my email address, and also use my Google Authenticator to confirm this particular transaction. So send to my email address, then actually use my Google Authenticator. So I'm going to pause this video to actually copy the two information.
A few moments later.
So guys, as you can see, the withdrawal will be sent to Binance. So let's go back to Binance to check if we actually receive it. We actually receive it. So if I click on my asset, then click on overview, like as you can see, like 98.7 USD was successfully deposited. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to ensure we convert this particular amount to BNB. So we can actually use two methods to do that. The first method is to use this trade option over here. So we are going to choose BNB from the option, like we are going to search for BNB. So this is BNB USDT. Click on it. Then I believe, let me just use this one so that I will not, if you want to do the second method, you can just convert it to convert USDT to BNB. So I'm going to convert the max of it. So as you can see, I'm buying a BNB using my USDT. So I'm going to click on buy, and the order is going to be placed, is going to be created, so for me to actually get BNB. So I'm going to go over to my assets because I've already placed the order. Go over to my asset to check if it has been done. As you can see, we have 0.2 BNB, which is about $122. So we are going back home, going back to the home page. Then as you can see, we are going to click on this launchpad over here. Click on launchpad, and for us to actually commit this amount to HAMSTER Kombat. So we are going to use BNB pool. So we are going to lock BNB pool over here. Click on lock BNB pool. Then we are going to choose max, like the amount you actually have, which is the max. Then click on lock. So they are going to lock this particular BNB for 3 days. So after 3 days, we are going to see the amount of airdrop which we are going to be getting. So this allows us to actually receive free airdrop from HAMSTER Kombat, so that we can be able to make profit at the long run. So if you actually want to see the end result, like how much HAMSTER Kombat I'm going to receive using this launchpad, ensure you subscribe so that I will be able to share it in this particular YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you actually enjoyed the tutorial. Drop it in the comment section below so that I will actually help me to improve on the next video I'm going to be making. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video.